What's up mga mananap? Yung adlaw sa atong tanan, karon ang ato ang pagahisgutan. ato I'm gonna be teaching you how to do this style. I'm gonna be teaching you how to uh, I mean, unsa na ba nawa na noon ko. So what we're going to learn today is a program that would use comments, no, to the eye, no. So to start with, maghimo ta og program na or new file under this folder or under this project, and i-save nato siya to PPP comments. So by the way, comments in C++ or in actually comments are parang it's part of a programming. Comments are not read by your compilers. So what do you mean by that? Dili siya apilon og basa sa compiler. Kumbaga murag ikaw ba, crush nimo siya tapos ikan niya crush, dili ka niya ginapansin. Ana si compiler. Ang comment gina-treat niya as mura og kanang murag crush nato nga dili ta ginapansin sa atong crush kay dili man ta niya crush. Okay? So comments are ignored by compilers. So unsa day gamit nila? Ang gamit nila ay ang gamit sa comments are used for documenting our programs, no? Explaining what this certain line all about, explaining what this code all about. So I'm going to introduce to you the different types of comment in C++. These are also the same with C, Java, and correct me if I'm wrong, it's the same also with PHP. Okay, so to start with, we're going to, let's say, so let's have include muna. So IOStream, then let's say, itong buhaton is this program is brought to you by Camellia Home. Advertise na po ang tapat ha, bilyar. Okay. Anyway, so this one right here will be ignored by your compiler. So meaning dili na siya basahon og apil. This will just tell the compiler, I mean ano lang parang at least no as a programmer not the idea without even reading the entire codes and not the idea of what this entire program is about. So parang we have already an idea of what this program will do. Okay, so this is an example of single or single line comment, or we say line comment. Okay, so single line comment. So you can only use this one for single line, no? Dili nimo siya pwede na mag comment na pud another comment. Okay, another comment. So it's always gonna be like every time imo siyang gamiton, a single comment. So, by the way, what is the use of single comment? Ginagamit siya mostly for a certain statement. Say for an instance, this one is a header, one is a header file. Okay? Let's say for an instance, we're going to yun, no? So, namespace, std, have int, main, turn. Okay, so this time, butang ta dre og say maghimo tag program that would uh, may buhaton na to mag-accept og value, okay, number na lang kasi. Okay, so you have here enter in. By the way, cin is used for accepting value from the user. So cin meaning stands for input, no? Like siguro computer o computer input. Ako na lang buot-buot ana, pero basta cin meaning input, out meaning output. Okay? So yeah, so using the single line comment, you can actually do like this, no? Yung tag, this is the part of the I don't want it, but this is a standard YouTube. Okay, I don't have any idea. I mean, I don't know what to write. Let's say for an instance they have here, this is a declaration. Okay, or declaration variable declaration. Okay, so that is the use of single line. So right, so if i-run na to ang program, it does not affect any of your program. So kasi again, oh, what happened? Wait. Mm, mhm, IT return exists. File and run this one. What happened? Comment this one out muna ha. Na-locate na error. Na-locate niya na error is ID return one exists na status. Multiple declaration of main. Gabai. Hmm. Kasi we are actually, it does not, I mean, uh, need to, let's say, kani, nato ni comments na might be the reason why. So let's can, yun. Okay. So enter a number, yan. Ito na siyang ibalik, ibalik na natin siya. Okay, unsay reason ato sir? By the way, ang reason ato is langgod. Kapoy man explain pero ang ito ang pinaka-reason ato kay inani. Ah, kasi you're creating a project. Na project kasi there must be only one main dapat. Okay? So dapat isa lang ang main sa isa ka project. So wala ko sa lab, dapat isa lang siya, ayaw na daghana, no? Bawal man na di pwede. So the same thing right here sa ato ang program, isa lang dapat ato ang main para dili siya error. And then yeah, so sir paano yan? Unsaon man na? So actually pwede ka dili mag-create og project para para sa default project lang siya and then you will create file and more file CPP file dapat dili under a certain project. Kasi ang project only requires as one. Anyway, so balik sa atong discussion on what they call this one, a comment. By the way, katong gibutang ganina, mo na siya ang sample sa multi-line comment. Okay, so this is an example of what we call multi-line comment. So a multi-line comment is, this is used for multi-line. Okay, it's actually used for putting comments, putting ba, oh yeah, uh, o- uh, putting a comment inside of your program na multiple line or something like magbutang ka og sentences. Example, have here, have here, ana. And by the way, close yun mo, i-close po, need na siya na mo na i-close. Okay? So, this program is going to ask user, so let's say na puno na ka, I mean, you don't want na padayon pa, so pwede mo ibutang dire. This program is going to ask user input, uh, let's say int input, then then display the entered integer. Yeah, now this would tell us already, I mean without looking at it sa imong program, this would now the user has now an idea of what this program is all about. So Say ato siyang anuhon nga mao man jud ang purpose niya. Like ang purpose niya is mag-enter lang and then ano lang tag you entered a tapos let's say so run nato siya and then file and so enter a number 5 so entered a 5 you entered an integer kung gusto ka an integer 7 entered an integer 7 so let's say this one if it's pwede siya still the same no entered an so naa pa ba okay, so I guess that would be all for today. Let's comment. In Java, there are actually what we call additional Java doc, which is actually a special comment. In C++, you only have two types, which are uh, single line, single line comment, and multiple line, or other term for multiple line, I guess it's block comment. Yeah, just correct me if I'm wrong. You can actually put right there in the comment section. So again, line and single line and multi-line code. Okay, so that would be all and thank you guys for watching this video. Bye-bye.